How to select several objects at once in your PowerPoint. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google presentation, Google Slides or your Microsoft PowerPoint. Then, in order to select all the objects at once, what you will have to do is simply select all these three objects. Now that it has been selected, right click on it and then drag it together like this. If this is not grouped, you can simply group it by right clicking on it, and then you will find an option of dragging it. So when you simply select this object, only this will be selected. But in order to select all, what you will have to do is simply select these all, and then you will be able to drag it wherever you want, like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.